You had me wrong. You had me wrong. Vous avez mal entendu. Please give my best to everyone. Please give my best to everyone. Transmettez mes salutations à tout le monde. You are acting beyond your position. You are acting beyond your position. Vous agissez au-delà de votre position. Think twice before you do it. Think twice before you do it. Pensez-y à 2 fois avant de le faire. The chance was fully taken advantage of. The chance was fully taken advantage
On a pleinement
of.
profité de l'occasion.
Thomas got a job as a waiter. Thomas got a job as a waiter.
Thomas a trouvé un travail comme serveur.
Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it.
Ne vous laissez pas avoir.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. J'ai tellement peur. I'm stuck on what you do. I'm stuck on what you do.
Je ne sais pas quoi faire.
It happens. It happens.
Ça arrive.
Everyone settle down. Everyone settle down. Tout le monde se calme. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Ne faites pas attention à eux. I invite you. I invite you. Je vous envie. That sounds expensive. That sounds expensive. Ça m'a l'air cher. You lost me. You lost me. Vous m'avez perdu. This mushroom is good to eat. This mushroom is good to eat.
Ces champignons est comestible.
This book is not sold here. This book is not sold here.
Ce livre n'est pas vendu ici.
You know better than I do. You know better than I do.
Vous le savez mieux que moi.
You bought what? You bought what? Vous avez acheté quoi? He's prideful. He's prideful.
Il est orgueilleux.
I was careless. I was careless. J'ai été négligé. You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
Vous pouvez y aller.
Haven't I seen you somewhere before? Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
Je ne vous ai pas déjà vu?
I didn't mean to upset you. I didn't mean to upset you.
Je ne voulais pas vous contrarier.
Look at this. Look at this. Regardez-moi ça. How long does it take? How long does it take? Combien de temps cela prend-il? Run for it. Run for it. Courez-y. Here comes the noisy one. Here comes the noisy one.
Voilà les bruyants.
All aboard? All aboard?
Tous à bord?
There must be some kind of mistake. There must be some kind of mistake.
Il doit y avoir une erreur.
They say that old house is haunted. They say that old house is haunted.
On dit que cette vieille maison est hantée.
The lake is notorious for its contamination. The lake is notorious for its contamination.
Le lac est connu pour être pollué.
Fasten the rope to the tree. Fasten the rope to the tree.
Attachez la corde à l'arbre.
Paul lives near the sea. Paul lived near the sea.
Paul vit près de la mer.
They should also be fair to others. They should also be fair to others.
Il devrait également être juste envers les autres.
The rule reads in two ways. The rule reads in two ways.
La règle se dit de deux façons.
How do you commute to work? How do you commute to work?
Comment faites-vous pour vous rendre au travail?
I hear you. I hear you.
Je vous entends.
Don't tell anybody but him. Don't tell anybody but him.
Ne le dites à personne d'autre que lui.
You write on the button. You write on the button.
Vous êtes sur la bonne voie.
Sorry, it wasn't on purpose. Sorry, it wasn't on purpose.
Je ne l'ai pas fait exprès.
I was just looking around. I was just looking around.
Je ne faisais que regarder autour de moi.
How about you? How about you?
Et vous?
The angle would be too narrow. The angle would be too narrow.
L'angle serait trop étroit.
Don't talk in loud voice here. Don't talk in loud voice here.
Ne parlez pas à voix haute ici.
What is he? What is he?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
I mean it. I mean it.
Je le pense vraiment.
Finally, he carried out his plan. Finally, he carried out his plan.
Finalement, il a exécuté son plan.
Do you need some help? Do you need some help?
Avez-vous besoin d'aide?
What's in them? What's in them?
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dedans?
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Je reviens tout de suite.
That's okay. That's okay.
Ce n'est pas grave.
Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing?
N'est-ce pas incroyable?
This bridge bears only 10 tons. This bridge bears only 10 tons.
Ce pont ne supporte que 2 tonnes.
Are you healthy? Are you healthy?
Êtes-vous en bonne santé?
You look worried. You look worried.
Vous avez l'air inquiet.
What's good? What's good?
Qu'est-ce qui est bon?
Do we pay here? Do we pay here?
Est-ce qu'on paye ici?
Just follow us. Just follow us.
Suivez-nous.